Good morning to all of you. My paper for the poster presentation is Key Performance Indicators for Sustainable Urban Goods Distribution for Case City of Jaipur City in India. Now, key performance indicators are essential in purview of overall sustainable development of a city. Apart from sustainability, logistic performance indicators are also important as suggested by World Bank for the economic efficiency of a city or a state or for a country. So this research paper is using analytical hierarchical process techniques to evaluate various KPIs associated with various stakeholders in goods distribution in terms of city logistics. So this paper also based on the face-to-face pen and paper pencil survey with an expert group composed of shippers, transporters, and social experts. Now figure number one shows the selected KPIs and the LPIs for the research study, and the following figure shows the research methodology. The number of stakeholders and the sample size is shown in table number 1, and these are the final figures which complies the 10% consistency rule. Actual number of stakeholders surveyed are much higher because the complexities involved in AHP survey due to of its compared comparison of various alternatives, and if the target group of stakeholders are not experts, it's very difficult to get the exact rating which reflects in the consistency ratio results. So in this case, the wholesalers and the transport operators are not what can I say, are not very educated kind of people, so it's very difficult to make them sure or uh, to get the right results from these stakeholders. Now table number 2 shows the brief overview of descriptive statistics of freight handling areas for three wholesale markets, which are Atish market, which is a building hardware market, then the grain market, and the fruits and hardware market. And for the logistic performance indicator, medium and small scale industries situated in Jaipur city known as Vishkarma industrial area, which is VKI, has been shown. Now, descriptive statistics regarding to transport operators in purview of vehicle kilometer traveled, which is VKT per day, has been shown. Here, the HCV is the highest, which you can say the mean value, which is around 360 kilometer per day, which suggests that the HCV is more involved in regional distribution, not as in urban distribution. Now, all the results, as I said earlier, are complying 10% consistency ratio rule for the robustness of AHP results. If we look at the social indicators and their AHP weights, it shows that accident is the highest factor, followed by the emissions, which is 19% weightage. So our freight policies in terms of administrators or for the end users are still not oriented towards accidents, primarily followed by the emissions. If we look at the logistic performance indicators, then the quality of logistic services and reliability has the highest impact factor, and the live tracking is the least important factor due to the high penetration of internet and smartphone.